Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to recharge your Amazon Prime. So first, when you open your Amazon app, as you can see on your screen right now, all you need to do is tap on the profile at the bottom, which has the profile logo or profile icon. So you just tap this one and you will find this on your screen. Now, all you want to do is you need to scroll down until you find that option, which is your account. So just tap the see all button right there and you will be automatically go right here. Now scroll down and need to find this manage Prime membership right there, so you can recharge your subscription or any plan that you have. So when you go right over here, manage Prime membership, you will now go on this page. As you can see, Prime gives you the best shopping entertainment. To join Prime, receive an email on next steps, membership benefits, and plan options. So if you want to have another plan, just tap this send details right here. So just tap the send details button, the yellow button right here. And so you will receive a details from your email, just like so, as you can see on your screen. So just tap that plan that you receive, and then once you tap that one, you will receive this option right here, select a payment method. So you just change your payment method. You can add some payment method right here, or you can use some credit card so you can recharge your subscription, or you can start a new plan. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.